আমরা ছুটিতে আছি।
We are on holiday.
We are on holiday. আমরা একটা শান্তিপূর্ণ ছুটি উপভোগ করছি।
We are enjoying a peaceful holiday.
We are enjoying a peaceful holiday. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
আবহাওয়া ঠিক আছে।
The weather is perfect.
The weather is perfect. The weather is perfect. I think really this weather is perfect.
Yes.
It's not sunny, it's not rainy.
The nature. So nice.
What things attracted you most?
The nature. You just like
Natural beauty, right?
Yes, there's no gas or anything we see on cities. It's just like
Fresh.
everything is green.
Oxygen.
Fresh, oxygen. Yes. The green also helps our like
Eyes.
yes.
It refreshes our mind.
Yes.
The beauty of this place refreshes our mind.
Yes.
আমাদের ডেইলি লাইফটা কেমন, একদম হইচইপূর্ণ না? এখন আমি যদি বলি এই জায়গাটা আমাদের প্রতিদিনের হইচই থেকে অনেক দূরে, তাহলে কি বলবো?
This place is far away from the hustle and bustle of daily life.
হাসল এন্ড বাসল দিয়ে বোঝাচ্ছে হইচই। তাহলে দিস প্লেস ইজ ফার অ্যাওয়ে, এই জায়গাটা দূরে, ফ্রম দ্য হাসল এন্ড বাসল অফ ডেইলি লাইফ, প্রতিদিনের গোলযোগ বা হইচই থেকে জায়গাটা দূরে। What do you think about the food? Do you like the food items? What they
Yes.
serve?
Yes, it's like very delicious.
What is your favorite food?
And
You are having different kinds of food here, right?
Yes.
Which one is special for you?
the chicken.
You love chicken, right?
Yes.
Most of the time, you love to have fried chicken.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.